Hi, this is Tosio. So you guys know me for streaming IDV most of the time since that's my channel all about. Some of you guys already know that I've been doing photography and filmmaking for quite some time now. So today we will be doing something different. I'll be teaching you guys on how to take and edit photos on your phone. But before that, we need to be familiar with the three pillars of photography. Let's start with the first one. Shutter speed. It is the length of time when the camera shutter is open. So basically it's how long your camera takes a photo. And there can be two different effects that you can achieve when doing either a slow shutter speed or a fast shutter speed. A slow shutter speed is often used in taking long exposure shot in order to achieve a Milky Way photo or a nightlife scene in street photography. As for a faster shutter speed, we commonly use this for sports, weddings, or in any moving subject that you want to capture its moment. The next one is ISO. It is simply a setting in your camera that can either brighten or darken your photo. And the last one is aperture. An easier way to understand this is to think about how our eyes work. So as we move between dark and bright environments, the iris in our eyes will either expand or shrink, and it can even control the size of our pupil. In photography, aperture is like the pupil for your camera, which can either open and close to change the amount of light that passes through. Remember how I mentioned ISO can either brighten or darken the image? Well, aperture can also do that. With a large aperture, more light is coming in, thus making the image look brighter. On the other hand, a smaller aperture can make your photo look darker. Another effect that aperture is responsible for is depth of field. Having a large aperture equates to a large amount of both foreground and background blur. This is often desirable in portraits or in anything that you want to isolate your subject from. In contrast with a smaller aperture, it renders a small amount of background blur, and this is usually used for landscape and architectural photography. And that will be it for now. Let me know in the comment section what kind of tutorials or videos do you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys later.